Meetings. In the workplace today, the term meetings can conjure up many negative feelings. Many managers are overworked and have a hard time finding enough hours in the day to complete their own responsibilities in addition to managing their teams. When you add in the countless hours spent in meetings, many of which are unproductive, poorly planned, and without progress, it only adds to the stress involved in holding such a position. The first and most important question we must ask ourselves is why we need meetings. Meetings exist to promote a collaboration, keep key departments informed of changes, and to conduct necessary and streamlined training. If properly planned and implemented, meetings can result in better performance by employees, more cohesive interdepartmental relationships, and a greater understanding of the business culture and initiative. The purpose of this video is to share the timeline for the completion of a Captivate module on effective meeting management, discuss the user's experience when taking part in the training, and to supply an overview of anticipated outcomes of this training. Let's take a look at the timeline for completion of this module. Starting immediately, I will need some continued training on Adobe and Captivate to assist me throughout the content creation. This will be ongoing as needed. My storyboard will be created in February as well, and edits will continue throughout development. A survey will be created the second week of February using SurveyMonkey, which participants will receive prior to training. At this time, I will also need to start the selection of possible participants, mainly managers around neighboring departments at Full Sail. In mid-February, I will start requesting permissions needed and work diligently on development. The pre-module survey will be administered, invites will be sent to participants for training, and we will administer the module to Test Group 1 around the first week of March. A feedback survey will be sent upon completion, and another 90 days after the training. All surveys will be utilized to improve the module and its user interface. Next, let's take a look at the flowchart for the user experience. Participants will receive a pre-module survey upon the completion, and they will be able to select several links to videos and articles on the topic of effective meeting management. They will be invited to training, which they can schedule around their own workflow. After an introductory slide, users will be directed to a pre-test, a video, and then several informative slides and true-to-life scenarios which will guide and test the understanding of the material. Users will be asked to take a post-test and receive scores of both the pre-test and the post-test to compare. Immediately following, a survey will be sent to them to complete, and another 90 days after the training. Thank you for taking the time to view this proposal.